In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix Editor Basics, how to add pages to website and menu. First, open your site in the Wix Editor. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the Pages panel. If you don't see it immediately, hover over the icons until you find the one that manages site pages. Click it to open your list of pages. Next, click Add Page. This is where you'll choose the kind of page you want to create. To get a solid, professional structure, start with a few essentials. Add an About page to introduce your brand, a Services page to outline what you offer, a Projects page to showcase your work, and a Contact page so visitors can reach you. Each time you select a page, Wix creates it and places it in your Site Pages list, ready for you to customize later. You'll also see several categories with useful templates. Under General, you can add versatile layouts for almost any need. A landing page is perfect for campaigns or focused messaging without distractions. The 404 error page is what visitors see if they hit a broken link. Adding and designing this keeps your site consistent and helpful. If you plan to sell products, choose Store. For appointments or classes, pick Bookings. Restaurants includes menus and reservations. Blog gives you a space for articles and updates. Pricing plans is great for memberships or subscriptions. Dynamic pages pull content from a collection, making it easy to scale similar pages like team profiles or product catalogs. As you explore these, Wix may prompt you to enable the related app. That's normal for feature-rich pages. After adding the pages you want, organize how they appear in your site menu. In the Pages panel, select a page and use the options to rename it so it reads clearly in navigation. You can show or hide pages from the menu, useful for things like a 404 page or landing pages you don't want listed. Drag pages up or down to reorder them, and nest one page under another to create drop-downs for a clean, logical structure. If you have a primary page you want visitors to see first, set it as your home page from the Pages options. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner. This pushes your changes live. Finally, click Done to close the confirmation. It's a good idea to preview your live site and test the menu links to make sure everything routes correctly. That's it. Your pages are added, organized, and published. Customize each page's content and design next.